Hello guys, welcome to Self Study YouTube channel. This video lecture is for 10th standard SSC board, and in this video we are going to see about the basics of Pythagoras theorem. Now why the basics? Because we have a chapter named Pythagoras theorem in our Maths 2 geometry book. So before starting that lesson, the lesson number 2 of Pythagoras theorem in geometry book, I want to clear the basics. So here is the basics video starting from the Pythagoras. Also it includes Pythagoras theorem and the types of triangle, which will be really useful while solving our sums in the actual lecture video of the lesson 2 Pythagoras theorem. So this video lecture does not contain anything related to like the sums of Pythagoras theorem. This is a basic video lecture, so let us clear all the basic and then we will start the lesson 2 Maths 2 geometry Pythagoras theorem. So before that, let us study the basics. Okay, so let us start. So basics of Pythagoras theorem. Everything in this lesson is dealing with triangles. Now what is a triangle? Three-sided figure, right? A three-sided figure. This is side 1, this is side 2, and this is side 3, and it has three angles: side 1, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. So this is what a triangle is. Okay, so let us start from the very basics, which are the types of triangle. Now I hope you know the types of triangle, but as this is a basic video lecture, we are going to study about it as well. So based on sides and based on angles, types of triangles are divided. Based on sides and based on angles, types of triangles are divided. So what are the triangles based on the sides? First is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and third is scalene triangle. Based on angles, it is acute, obtuse, right, straight, and reflex angle triangle. So we are going to study about these triangles in detail, so let us start on that as well. So based on sides, there are three types of triangles. Okay, based on sides. First one is equilateral triangle. The name itself suggests that equilateral means equal. Equi means equal. Okay, so side 1, side 2, side 3, all these sides are equal. All sides are equal. Okay, and angles as well are equal, and most interesting part about the angles is the degree of angle is fixed, which is 60 degree. 60 degree is the only degree of an equilateral triangle. The degree never changes. If you want to draw equilateral triangle of equal sides, then it has equal angles as well, and the angle is also fixed, which is 60 degree. Okay, so sides and angles of an equilateral triangle are equal, are same. Okay, so let us move ahead. This is isosceles triangle. Now what is isosceles triangle? In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Only two sides are equal. In equilateral triangle, all the three sides were equal. Why only three sides? Because it is a three-sided figure. Therefore, so in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, only two, this one, and the base side is different. Now over here, AB is equal to AC and BC is a base side. In this figure, you can see that the base angles, this angle B, angle C, are equal. So in isosceles triangle, base angles are always equal, but the angle towards the vertex A, or any letter you can take, is different. Okay, so these values are not fixed. but yes, base angles are equal. Okay, let us move to the next image. In this is also a isosceles triangle. You can see this is the vertex point, this is the vertex angle, and this is the base angle, right? Wait. Okay, these two sides, S1 we will take, S2 we will take. These both sides are equal. S1 is equal to S2, but this S3 is different. If S1 is let us suppose 3, then S2 is also 3. But S3 will not be equal to 3. If it is 3, then it will be an equilateral triangle. But in isosceles triangle, we have seen that only two sides are equal. So S1 or S1 and S2 will be equal, and S3 will be different. Base angles are always equal. It can be any degree. Okay? It can be of any degree, and the vertex and base angles are same. Base angles are same and vertex angle is different. So two angles are same, two sides are same, one angle is different, one side is different in isosceles triangle. So moving on to the scalene triangle, over here we can see, okay, this side S1, S2, S3, both the sides are different. This indicates the difference in the size. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So in scalene triangle, all the angles are also different, all the sides are also different. So everything in scalene triangle is different. Let us quickly revise about the triangles based on their sides. Equilateral triangle have all the sides equal and all the angles equal, and the angle is 60 degree, which is fixed. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, two angles are equals, and those two angles are the base angles, and one side is different and one angle is different. In scalene triangle, two sides, all the three sides are different and all the three angles are different. Now we will see about the base triangle based on angles. The first one you see is acute angle. Now what is acute angle? The angle which is less than 90 degree. The angle which is less than 90 degree is a acute angle triangle. Okay, the angle which is less than 90 degree. Of course, you can see over here how 90 degree is like a straight line perpendicular like this, right? Like this, yes. And 90 degree forms a square type like this. But over here you can see it is less than 90 degree. So it can be either 89 degree, less than 90 degree, therefore it can be 45, 35, 65, but it has to be less than 90. Okay, then it is a acute angle triangle. Okay, let us move to the next one, which is obtuse angle triangle, opposite of acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle had less than 90 degree. In obtuse angle, it is greater than 90 degree. The angle should be greater than 90 degree. 90 degree is like this, right? And this shows that it is 120 degree. Now this angle, whole angle, is 120 degree. Therefore it is greater than 90 degree. Therefore it is called as obtuse angle triangle. Let us move to the next, which is right angle triangle, which everyone knows is of 90 degree. The angle which makes 90 degree is a right angle triangle, right? Let us move to the next, which is the fourth type, straight angle triangle. This is a straight angle triangle. You can see this is 90 degree. If we draw a perpendicular, it will be 90 degree, right? And 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. Now this straight line is a straight angle which is of 180 degree. Now if there are two angles like this, which we have studied in earlier class, this one and this one, it forms a linear pair, right? And this angle is a straight angle. Therefore if this let us see, this is x, this is y, then x plus y is equal to 180 degree, right? Let us move to the next one. I hope these concepts are clear. The fifth one is a reflex angle. Okay, what is reflex angle? Reflex angle is here and here. You can see this formed 180 degree, right? And this is greater than 180 degree. Okay, so the angle which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. What is the meaning of less than 360 degree? Over here, if this line comes on this line over here, if this line comes on this line, then it will be 360 degree like this, which will form like a circle like this. Okay, so a reflex angle is greater than 180 degree. 180 degree means straight angle, right? So it is greater than 180 degree and smaller than 360 degree. It is known as reflex angle. Now let us have a quick revision. Over here, this is acute angle, right? This one, and it is less than 90 degree. Right angle is a 90 degree angle, and obtuse angle, this is greater than 90 degree, and reflex angle is greater than 180 degree, greater than 180 degree, and smaller than 360 degree is a reflex angle. Okay, and what is a straight angle? It is of 180 degree itself. Okay, so this was of angles, but what if we join these two lines? This was a angle, right? A right angle triangle, 90 degree triangle angle. If we join this one, then it will become a triangle. This line and this, if we join, then it will become a triangle, this like this. Okay, now we are going to study about the triangle, but first we are going to study about the right angle triangle, because the Pythagoras theorem is based on the right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem only applies on a right angle triangle. So let us study about the right angle triangle even in more detail. So this is a right angle triangle. Let us assume this angle as A, this as B, and this as C. Angle B, if you see, is of 90 degree. We don't know about the angle A and angle C. The side opposite to 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and opposite side to 90 degree is AC. Side opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse, and this is what the Pythagoras theorem is. I'm not going to tell you right now, but you will understand it. So this is height, AB is height, and BC is base, and side opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. And Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square, I'll write hypo over here, is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Okay, this is Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, which means the AC, which was over here, okay, it's gone, A, B, C. So hypotenuse square, which means this AC square, equals to side 1 square, which means this is S1 suppose and this is S2, then AB square plus BC square. So this is what Pythagoras theorem is, hypotenuse square. Let us do this. So hypotenuse means AC square equals to side 1 means AB square plus side. Okay, this was all the Pythagoras theorem, the triangles and Pythagoras theorem. And this is a right angle triangle which we have seen over here, and hypotenuse square equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square is a Pythagoras theorem. Now right angle triangle are of two types. First one is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So in this triangle, this angle is 90 degree. Suppose this is A, this is B and this is C. Angle B is 90 degree, angle A is 60 degree and angle C is 30 degree. So this is called as 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle. So 30, 60, 90 triangle. In this we are going to study about this triangle and the properties of this triangle in more depth in the next video lecture of Pythagoras theorem. But till then you just understand that the right angle triangle are of two types only. First one is 30 degree, 60 degree, and the second one is 45 degree, 90 degree triangle. About this also we are going to study in more depth in the next video lecture. Till then keep watching this. So in this triangle, this is of 45, this is of 45 and this is 90 degree. So right angle triangle are of two types, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle, and 45 degree, 90 degree triangle. So this format doesn't change at all. There are only two types. If you form a right angle triangle, it has to be 30 or 45, 90 degree triangle. So this was only this basics of Pythagoras theorem and right angle triangle. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the self-study YouTube channel. Until then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.